Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and my name is Saad. I came up with another quick video on how to get approved for MaxBounty. So I'm going to show you step by step that how to get approved within a few hours. This is a step by step guide if you're a beginner or an expert. This video helps you out to get approved with MaxBounty. So now we have the MaxBounty affiliate page opened, and they're asking about, do you already have an affiliate account? So we are going to proceed with no, that we don't have an account. I'm gonna simply click on no and start signing up the MaxBounty account. So here is the step number 1, that is to enter in your details, your first name, your last name, your company name, your email address, and your password finally. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly fill out these details. Now right after your name you have your company name. I don't have a company, so I simply enter in my email address. I'm going to open up a new tab and quickly get my email address and paste it right on the MaxBounty affiliate sign up page. My internet is actually slow, so okay, so here is the email address. I'm gonna copy this quickly and go ahead and paste my email address. Now the password, I'm gonna write in the simple and the easy password that I remember. Now don't use the password that you often forget. Write and save down your password, because once you get approved you need the password to log into the account, and if you forget the password instantly you might lose your account. So I'm gonna enter in my password and click on next. Alright, now we have the basic details about our phone number, our time zone, when can you be reached. Now MaxBounty need the phone number to call you for the affiliate application review. MaxBounty application cannot be approved without a phone call interview with your affiliate manager. So what is your time zone and when you can be reached? I'm going to select International Dateline West, as I want my manager to call on the specific time that I select. Okay, so when can you be reached? Now select the time zone when you are available for the phone call. I'm going to select late morning. Now if you have Skype you can enter in the Skype handle. I don't have a Skype, so I will simply click on next. Now after that we have our address details. We need to put the perfect and correct address. We don't need to fill out the fake details, as they will verify your address with your ID card. Alright, so North American state. I'm actually living in Pakistan and I'm not a North American. Alright, simply enter in the city name. Next up, right after that we have our province name. I'm gonna write in Punjab, as I live in Punjab. Now country name, you need to select your country where you live in. Zip code would be your zip code, simple postal code, and after entering the details click on next. Now here is the important thing that most of the people fail when applying for the MaxBounty. Here they're asking about that how did you hear about MaxBounty? I actually heard about MaxBounty on MaxBounty blog. I'm selecting MaxBounty blog. What is your experience? MaxBounty don't need complete beginners. They already have the expert affiliates working with them. So you have to be sure that you already have some knowledge about affiliates or CPA marketing. I'm gonna click on I have some experience and have received at least one payment, and then next step is to describe your past experience in affiliate marketing. So I have some experience, and now you need to actually explain that what is your experience and how do you promote offers, stuff like that. So I'm gonna type in I worked with many affiliates. Network at the moment, like Amazon, CJ and JVZO. So I'm gonna type in that I work with Amazon affiliates, or wherever you work, you just need to be straightforward. Don't lie to them, and be straightforward. So how do you intend to promote offers? I actually promote offers on Google and Facebook ads. You can write whatever and wherever you are going to promote the campaigns from MaxBounty. Alright, after that we have what campaigns are you looking to run. Let's write this stuff and go ahead and fill out for the next step. What campaigns are you looking for? In this section I'm gonna type in that I'm looking for the weight loss offers. If you have a website, you can enter in the website URL. Click on next. Alright, so this one is popping up that your description must be at least 50 or 200 characters. So I'm gonna write in some more lines to make sure that it's long enough. I also use Pinterest to free traffic for lead generation. Now this one is the perfect example of the application, how to submit your application, and click on next. Now here is the final step. To reduce fraud, MaxBounty needs your photo ID front and back. So I'm gonna quickly go ahead and upload my ID card just to show you guys the whole process. Alright, here's the front ID card, and now I'm gonna select the back side of the ID card and click on next. Now after that, MaxBounty needs the verification that you don't sell the accounts to anyone else. Check the box if you agree that you will not use freelancer. Now this is the step where you need to check all these boxes and simply click on submit. I'm gonna go ahead and click these boxes and click on submit. Now I don't even know that if I should submit as an example, so I will not submit. But if you're applying your own account, you're gonna click on submit and you will have a mail inside your email that you need to click on confirm the application. After that you will have the details about your affiliate manager, phone number, and your affiliate ID will be sent to you with an email, and the affiliate manager will reach out to you, and he will actually ask the same questions that you have written in the application. So be real, be confident, don't try to fool them, just be straightforward and tell them where and how will you promote the offers. I hope you guys actually like this video. Please subscribe the channel, and goodbye.